Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about multiple companies from all over India. So watch the video till end. If you watch it, you will get one IT job. So if you have any doubt regarding, comment me. So before going to just subscribe and like my channel. My humble request, like my channel. It will be helpful for me. You can visit our channel for interview questions, interview expense, any kind of things I'm just providing here. Once you subscribe, it will be helpful for you. So let's go to the page. The first one which is we are going to see will be Associative Software Engineering from Siemens from Chennai location they can mention. The another portal will be all over the world and all over India. You can search about the job which you are looking for it. So about both links, it will be easy for you to search which kind of job suits for you. And this is what the software engineering from freshers. Completely it is for freshers. So don't skip the video, watch it once and you get one IT job. BTech, ME, MTech and EEE students can apply for this role. And the roles and responsibility they mentioned here itself, candidate profiles and what kind of role should be there, full-time and not for work from home. It is completely going to work in the office only, full-time employment with good skills. What all the main skills they can mention here itself. CSS, Java and good communication, all IT companies. And the next one will be, this is what from all over the searching portal from Siemens. It will be helpful for you to get a different kind of role which you are looking for them. And the next one will be Java developer from Pune, from the company which is City, started their hiring for freshers from all over India. So successful patients, they are collaborating their companies and their responsibilities, everything they can mention here. You can visit here itself. And the next portal will be their all-time company portal, which is you can search any job from all over India, like which state, which country and how many distance, everything you can search it. And this is what they from graduated engineering from my dear Jot or come from Bangalore Electronic Cities. You are going to apply Naurkri engine portal. Don't pay any amount. They won't charge any amount here. So this is what they from, which is going to be a huge company from Mavenir from all over India can apply for this role. Their job profile role for the multiple position which you are looking for, you can start apply here itself. So if you have any doubt regarding, just comment me. And the next one will be Saketan from software engineering role, started their hiring from all over India. This is what they mentioned, engineering graduate, MCCC and 0 to 1 year of experience on the similar jobs. You can find out which kind of role you are looking. You can easily grab it here. So this all their companies started their hiring today. So share my video as much you can. If you are not regarding, comment me, I will help you. Thanks for watching.